How to customize your character in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and wait for the main screen to load. From here, tap on the character icon to see all the characters you have unlocked so far. Once inside the Customize menu, select the character you want to customize. You will see options to change outfit, accessories and skins that give your character a unique look. Customization in Sonic Rumble doesn't just make your character stand out, it also adds a personal touch to your gameplay experience. Next, explore the different skins and outfits available. Some can be unlocked by earning rings, completing missions or participating in special events. Tap on the items you want to equip and preview how they look on your character before confirming the changes. You can also customize accessories and colors to make your character even more unique. Combine outfits, hats, shoes, and other items to create a style that represents your personality while playing. Remember, while customization doesn't directly affect your character's abilities, having a visually distinct character can make your gameplay more fun and memorable. Regularly check the events and daily missions to unlock new customization options and keep your character looking fresh. Finally, once you are happy with your character's look, tap Equip to apply all changes. You are now ready to jump back into races and show off your unique Sonic Rumble style to other players. Now you know how to customize your characters in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.